Are you an affiliate marketer that always feels like there's too much to do and not enough time to do it? If you're anything like me, and I went through this struggle every day when I first got started in the online world, and let me tell you, without a solution, this problem just ain't gonna go away. So I've got a productivity hack for you. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the one productivity hack that saved me from overwhelm and probably also saved my business from failing, simply because it enabled me to focus on what needed to be done and not just the stuff that I thought was worth doing. So stick with me, as this could be the thing that helps you achieve more and earn more without having to do anything dramatic, like spend another $5,000 on a course or coach that just adds more work to your day. Now, before we dive into the detail, do me a favour, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when I release a new video. It's the best way to get all the good stuff that I'm learning and doing in my business so you can do it in yours. And it helps get these training lessons out to more people, which is also a good thing, right? Okay, so what is the productivity hack that saved me from all the overwhelm? Well, the simple solution to all the overwhelm and to making consistent income in your business is a daily action plan. Now wait, before you roll your eyes or click off to some other more exciting video that's going viral, stick with me here. You started watching this video because you truly wanted to know how to get results and how to overcome that overwhelm. So let me explain how a daily action plan will do that for you. The simple truth is, on a daily basis, we're bombarded with distractions, all designed to take us away from what we should be doing. And as online entrepreneurs, we're even more susceptible to this than most, since we tend to subscribe to a lot of lists, groups, and courses. So we have people coming at us from every angle, am I right? So to combat this problem, you need to have some discipline, because let me tell you, from experience and from my own research, willpower doesn't work on its own. The facts are that willpower is not the solution we all have been trained to believe it is. It can work for a short period of time, but after that, if your environment doesn't support what you're trying to do, then cracks start to appear, and before you know it, the walls come tumbling down. And the best way to relate this phenomenon is to think about the diet industry. Have you, or do you know anybody that's gone on a diet and failed? I bet you do. And why do you think that was the case? Well, it's not because they wanted to, right? Of course not. They had every intention and desire to stick to their diet, but they weren't able to. So willpower wasn't able to get them the result they wanted. The solution is creating an environment for success. And going back to our diet example, the environment isn't just writing down a meal plan. It's about having the right foods in the house and the wrong ones not in the house. So when it comes to your online business, the daily action plan is the answer to create the environment for your success. Now, I'm sure you know what you should be doing every day to move forward, but without a plan, it's real simple to get derailed. And that's where the daily action plan comes to your rescue. Now, you might be asking, what do I include in my daily action plan? How do I know what I really should be doing? Well, the easy answer to that one is that you should be including the things that will generate business and leads and sales. And yeah, I know that's a generalised statement, but the thing is, I don't know where you are at with your business or what you're focusing on right now. So let's run an example for, say, Facebook organic marketing, just to give you an idea. Now, I know if I want to get results from organic Facebook marketing, there are certain things I need to do to get the results I'm looking for. So here are the things I do when focusing on organic Facebook marketing strategies in my business. On a daily basis, I'll do, firstly, prime my Facebook feed by liking and commenting on posts, especially those of people that I want to see my posts, and I'll watch some stories as well. Then I'll post to my timeline and in my group something of really good value. Then I'll set aside some time to respond to everyone that likes or comments on my posts. Then I'll post in other people's groups. Then I'll send out 50 friend requests. And then I'll try and start up to 20 conversations in Messenger with my new friends. And I'll try to get as many of the conversations to book a discovery call with you. Now, I know that if I consistently do these tasks, it might take about 30 minutes up to an hour, maybe even more. If I do them every day, my business will grow. It's just a fact. Now, this is only one aspect of my business. So I'll have similar defined processes for things to do throughout the day to grow my business, like content creation or course creation, marketing campaigns. You get the picture. The thing is, if you have a plan for your day and know exactly what you need to do in each part of the day, then success will be yours. And I say it all the time. However, action beats inaction every day, and planned action beats any action every day. So what's your daily action plan going to be? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how to create a daily action plan that will set you up for success. And if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want to know the basics of what's required to get set up the right way, I'm giving away access to a free training course called Affiliate Bootcamp that you can access by clicking the link in the description, and let's get you set up and started with affiliate marketing the right way and earning an income in the next 30 days. And if you're really serious and you'll pay attention because you want to make this a full-time income, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get some personal support to get you established quickly and on your way to the laptop lifestyle that you dream about. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to the affiliate marketing training courses to get you started. Click the links in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button, leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training and the high ticket program I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today.